Sorry, am I audible?
Yes, I'm
Okay, great. So thanks for the update. So we are here for our demo session, and this is our second day of the demo. And Seth, can I have your quick introduction?
myself, Haider said, I'm working in IT sector.
Okay.
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, great, Seth. So thank you so much for your self-introduction. So here basically we are understanding the syllabus concepts over here in today's demo class, and just check with the management. They'll provide you the previous 2 days of seminar and also the demo class link, so you can go through it at your spare time, right? So now what is analytics and what is the uses of it and what is the purpose of it, we have been understood in the previous session. So now quickly we will understand and deep dive more into the command over here, that is the phrases. So basically this particular courses has been added into the phrase 1, phrase 2 and phrase 3. The first one is data collections, the data preparations, and the third one is data insights generation and also the dashboards building. So now when it comes to the projects and all, so what are the projects we are going to learn, right? So we'll be working on all of the domain projects, whether it is healthcare, banking, HR, energy, aviations, banking, e-commerce, product based, everything we'll be learning out here, right? So 1 second. Okay, so here we are having with the topics. Okay, so what are the topics we are going to cover over here? So one is Excel we'll be learning the MySQL, the database, and the Python programming language and the AWS tools, which is very mandatory for us, right? And again, we'll be using the Power BI, right? So, and each topic has, it starts with a basic to advanced level of introduction. So here you can see the versions, right? And the logical function statements and advanced exo functions and animations, creating animated Excel dashboard creations. And also here we'll be using the, how to load the queries, the Power Query in it, right? How to connect the data from the different sources, appending, merging, inserting of the data, and getting the data from the databases or web pages or workbooks. So these are all the some of the things what we are going to learn in our sessions. Right, in the SQL also, here we are having with a number of topics. It starts from the basic to advanced level, right? So, see, so these are the constants, joins, DDL, DML, transactions, language, and we are having with the index and the views. So what is index, what is view, what is functions, right? Here functions and constraints we are having, and what is union, intersect, and also the subquery with it, and exceptional handling, triggers are nothing but again we can give it out for before trigger and after trigger. This is completely into the SQL developer level of the knowledge, right? So, and again, so here the Power BI. So what is Power BI? Why do we use that? And what is animations, visuals we can do with the Power BI? And what is, the modeling with the Power BI, right? So everything, the DAX functions, everything we are going to learn in our sessions upcoming. So this is the Python. So many of them will be having, so if you are from non-technical or background. So here you'll be having the Power BI. So Power BI is normal visualization tool. So when coming to the Python, so Python is a tool which will be helping us for, analyzing the data and interpreting the data with the help of the libraries called as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn, right? So these libraries helps us in framing the data, and also it helps us in visualization also, right? So these are the core benefits to learn that. So do we have to learn the Python completely? Yes, sir. Yeah, sorry. Over here, the pandas library, numpy library, matplotlib, seaborn, and what are the looping functions we have to follow? Lambda functions are very important, and why do we use that? These are all the very important things in our fundamentals of Pythons, right? So, why this lambda functions are important here in the sets. So it will be helping us for trigger the actions, and also it helps us in creating the functions for data cleaning process. Okay. And over here there is a chat GPT. So nowadays without AI agent, no works can be done appropriate. So it is very important for us to understand what is ChatGPT, how the agent works, and how you have to give the prompt. Okay, so the prompt engineering will be learned by us. Okay, so these are all the topics what we are going to cover over here. So in this, do you have any doubts or question we can discuss on this? Okay, ma'am, in Python database connections, yes, we can connect to the database, not an issue. Integrations can be done. And yeah, so basically our session starts from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. The durations, Monday to Friday, and according to the the topics coverage, so we'll be like we have to connect in the weekends also sometimes according to the prior notice, or else Monday to Friday will be our regular sessions. And yeah, apart from this, if you have any doubts or questions, we can discuss it now about the domain data. Yes, Syed, Lokesh, MP, I think my whole letters. So Pratipati and Shankar Singh. So any doubts or questions related to the data and its domain? And also, I forget to tell that the DurgaSoft management is launching a placement cell. So from here on, not only the training, so DurgaSoft managements are planning, they are providing the placement assistant as well. So according to your profile, they'll be having the large pool set of the data, right? So for the job opportunities, openings, every notifications will be sent by them for you, so that you can also apply for the placements. I think on the day one of the seminar, I haven't add that information proper. I just checked with the management. So they have a placement assistance. Okay, you can also uh, be a part of that placement drive, everything, right? So these are the aspects, and that placement opportunity only it is dedicated for the cell within the institution students who are graduates or who are pursue over there. So for them, they are going to provide this assistance ongoing, right? So these are the aspects what I just wanted to tell you. Yeah, there are dedicated HR team they'll be providing. So as a part of training, so I'll be providing you the interview questions, but the mock interview preparations and all, the HR department, they'll be taking care and they'll be given to you, right? So these are the aspects what I wanted to share with you. And apart from this syllabus over here, the Git and GitHub is not mentioned. So even that also will be included in our syllabus, like how the version control system goes on, works on, right? So these are all very important for us to understand. Okay. And yeah. Any doubts, any questions, you can ask me now. So once it is done, we can wind up for today. I think no new students over here. So Lokesh, I think yesterday has been attended. Yes, Lokesh.
Yes, I was.
Okay, great. So any doubts or a question, Lokesh, do you have it?
Is cloud included in this?
Yes, of course it is included. So as I updated earlier, it is completely, one cloud is included. So the cloud is AWS provider we are learning. So here we are understanding the services like QuickSight, Redshift, Kinesis, RDS, Athena, EMR, and the data pipeline, AWS Glue. So these, along with that, AMI, and also we are understanding the S3 buckets and also the EC2 compute services as well. Okay, which are very important for us to analyze the things. Right. Any doubts or a question? So here we have to write the automation scriptings for, you know, for data cleaning process and everything. So these are the aspects what we are going to learn in our classes. So basically, I just wanted to update you that over here, the notes will be shared, the entire notes. So the notes will be given to you in the drive link. So the management will be taken care with that. So each and every topics will be having the notes. So it can be the AWS notes if you want. So we will be given that as well. And the data analytics dedicated notes all in one we are having. So we'll be providing that also to you. So you can have an access on a day-to-day wise. The uh, syllabus has been structured. So along with that, accordingly, we'll be learning everything, each and every topics, correct? So these are the aspects what I wanted to discuss, right? So this is all about the analytical topics. This is about the AWS topics, right? So module wise we have. So what are the services? As I mentioned, that services we are going to understand in the particular curriculum. So do you have any questions, Mehul?
Yes, madam. Yeah, I have one question. Do you have a online, do you have a real-time experience, right, for data analytics? Like, as in,
Yes.
so do you have
Yes.
a, like, so please share the real-time experience in the workplace. Like, if you're beginning, like a freelancer, like uh, if any fresh graduate or any experienced employee is at selected in the company. So what is the first day like knowledge transfer or what they are expecting for first week, second week, like that?
Okay. So I'll just tell it out. If you are a fresher, so freshly you're onboarded for a data analytics job. So what is your primary roles and responsibilities? Basically, you have to understand what is the business is.
Okay.
Suppose you are working for a banking, so you have to understand what is banking sector is and what are the areas they are having, what are the customers they are having, how many accounts are there in the savings, in the current. So these are the informations we have to get it right. So that is the data collection process we call it as. That is first thing. You have to understand inch to inch about whether it is healthcare, finance, edutech, whatever it might be. So you have to understand the process very clean and very clear. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the first step. And the second one, you have to analyze from what is the source they are using to store the data, whether they're using Excel, they're doing SQL, or else they're using any cloud platform, SharePoint, what services they're using to store their business information. That is the second part you have to understand. And thirdly, what is the problem they are looking for? Why did they hire me? Okay. So what is their expectations from me? So that you have to rectify and you have to work accordingly. And now, so to work, so you should have some tech stack. So that is to cleaning the data. One, you can use the programming language or SQL or Excel. Right. So by using all these things, you have to satisfy the employee by providing the proper delivery of his expectations. So these are all the five roles, and according to the analysis, you'll be preparing the visualizations. That visualizations will be communicated with the stakeholders. That helps in decision making, and most probably you have to provide the insights, the observation, because you are the person who know about the business now as a data analyst, who collected the data, who understood the data, and who created the visualizations. Everything will be done by you, and the business problem solution also will be there with you, because you are the one who from the scratch to the final level, the stage of the visualizations, you will be dealing with the data and the problem. So you'll be know the solution also according to the observations done with the data. Okay. So that is called as the insights generations. For that, you'll be hired for.
Yeah, but is there any senior level data analytics or data scientist they can knowledge transfer, like training initially, like freshly joined employee, they don't know about much more about the company, how they work, how they process. So any senior any senior data scientist or data engineer, they deliver the knowledge, right? Knowledge transfer, training.
Yeah, it will be happening. So there will be team leaders, there'll be
Yes.
another group of people who works together for a team. At that time, they will help you with understanding what exactly the business is, what
Okay.
we are expecting. Suppose
Okay.
if you go for top MNCs, there will be like, the mentor dedicated for you if you are freshly joined,
Yes.
whether
Yes.
if you are fresher
Trainer.
also. Yeah, it's not like a trainer, it's like a
Yeah.
co-worker with
Yeah.
you.
Co-worker, team leader, team lead.
Yes. So they'll just guide you. Because if you are
Okay.
a experienced one, they'll check your technical skill, how good at you. So they'll just give you a guidance. So this is what you have to do. And after receiving that, you have to come and research again. So okay, they're asking me for this. We are having with the AI agent, right? So if you become a pro in using the AI agent, no trainer is required for you. AI will
Okay.
be the best partner to help you with all your working stuff. So this is what we have to learn, and we have to be more productive in our workplace. Yes. So any doubts or questions, others? Yeah. Thank you, Mahal. And yeah, others. Okay. So, and also the recording sessions also will be provided to you each and every day. Recording will be there. So based on that, we'll start with that. From tomorrow, we can start with our sessions with the Excel, right? The dynamic functions and all will start learning tomorrow. Like 30 minutes of sessions will be there from 8 to 8:30. And from Thursday, so we can start with our live sessions from 8 to 9. Right. So till then, so just register yourself, and we'll start with our courses as soon as possible. Right. So yeah, thank you so much everyone for connecting today. So if you are having any doubts, you can discuss it now itself. So and tomorrow also we can connect with the same face, right? So Syed, Liket, Lokesh, Mehul, Shankar, and yeah. So any questions or doubts? Yes, no, please reply.
Ma'am,
Yes, Lokesh.
will in company will they give us proper goal for analysis like hello,
Yes, yes, please continue. Like, so what kind of?
like they are telling us to do analysis means they have problem like they uh,
Yeah.
they they want
So,
huh?
yeah, I understood now. The question from you is, you are asking, so as soon as I enter to the work for a data analyst, will they give me the requirements or else we have to find it? So you are asking that, right?
Yes.
So basically here, there, as in the previous sessions we learned, there will be a business analyst role. Okay. So business analyst, what he'll be doing, he'll be rectifying the problems from the business. And he will be given to the management people that these are the problems what we are facing in our business, right? So that according to that analysis, you have to read the data. Suppose it will be not only the problems, okay, so it can be the decision making phrases also. Sometimes the requirement will be given to you for the pricing details. If there is one of the product, suppose you can take an Amazon Music, okay? So per month we are having with 125 rupees INR in India. The Amazon provides the Amazon Prime Music. For everyone, first 30 days of free trial, and also for every month, if they charges 135 or 139 rupees per month. So how do they fix that price? Okay, so in India, it might be 135, and in some other location, it the prices varies. So how do the decision takes place? So we have to engage with understanding the customer behavior. Okay. So how the customer tastes are, like what is the music preferences they are using more, because we wanted to earn the more, you know, the usage, the app application user should be more, that is the target. And also we want to achieve the more sales on that. Okay. So more subscribers we want, and every details how what. See, that application, if you start using, so end to end, what is your likes? In a day, how many songs you listen? In a day, how many prime video you watch? So everything will be tracked, okay? So it will be having a track records as soon as you subscribe it. So based on that only, you'll be getting the ads for the more and more according to your taste. So if the person is watching the more action movies or more romantic movies, he'll be getting the suggestions for that itself. How do they get? Because by seeing your behavior, by seeing the customer behavior, every organization targets their customers and send the notifications for the ads so that they can watch more and more, and that will be helping for their profits generations. So this is how the business requirements will be given to you. It will be in the project wise, or else it will be in the business requirement wise. So you have to work accordingly for that each and every business requirements.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. So find them. So everyone. So we'll connect tomorrow at the same time, like 8 to 9. So and we'll start with our sessions, right? So thank you, like it. Syed, Lokesh, Mehul, and Shankar. So we'll connect tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.